Hello friends, my name is Salman and you are watching my channel Solid Tech. In this video series, I will discuss about the Veeam backup and recovery. Basically, Veeam is a top most software of backing up any virtual environment or any physical environment, and is readily available to backup in almost all the data center. So basically, I will discuss about the Veeam backup and replication Veeam availability suite. So let's talk about something about Veeam. Veeam is a global company with headquarters in Bern, Switzerland. Veeam was founded in 2006, and Veeam have over 2,000 Veeam employees. Veeam customers are in 200 countries, and 17% of the Fortune 500 are Veeam customers, and over 6.5 million worldwide insured customers availability switched. Uh, Basically, Veeam has over 37 partners all over the world and 183,000 customers worldwide. So basically, what is Veeam Availability Suite? Veeam Availability Suite deliver the availability of the modern data center to enable the always on business. Basically, backup is very critical nowadays because you don't uh, bear the downtime of any your virtual data center or data center. So you should have a solution which recover if any disaster occur. So Veeam is the topmost product of the line of backup and replication. So it provides the following features: high speed recovery, rapid recovery, what you want, the way you want it, data loss avoidance, near continuous data production, CDP, and streamlined disaster recovery. This is a feature of Veeam. Verified production, guaranteed recovery of every file, application, virtual server every times. So using leverage data, using backup data to create an exact copy of your production environment. Complete visibility, proactive monitoring, and altering of issue before the result in operational impact. So Veeams have these top features in their suite. So how does Veeam work? Veeam was designed for virtualized environment. Basically, nowadays all the data center over 50% are virtualized, either from using a VMware product or Microsoft Hyper-V or Xen Citrix servers. So recovery time and recovery point objective are the main thing for designing any workload or recovery point. Thing speedy and specific data recovery availability. So nowadays, as you can see, availability for the motor data center. So we should available our data center around the clock, like 24/7. No patience for downtime and data loss. Growing amount of data. So we should have high speed of recovery, data loss avoidance, verified production, leverage data, and complete visibility. We provide all these features in their suite. In modern data center, now we have a virtualization, modern storage, and clouds. So these all the feature covered by the Veeam availability suite. So let's move to the next slide. Veeam backup and replication is the part of Veeam availability suite. Basically, what Veeam availability suite is the two part component. One is Veeam backup and application, and other one is Veeam One monitoring tool. So we will discuss both of them, but now we will focus on Veeam backup and replication. Basically, Veeam backup and replication provide the backup, replicate, replication, and recover in a single console. We can control backup, replication, and recovering of all the machine and data center on a single console, which is 100% reliable, best ROT and PRO, fast and flexible. As you can see from the picture, we can manage the virtual environment like VMware, vSphere, Microsoft Hyper-V. Veeam backup and replication gives us a ability to take a backup of like Active Directory, email server, database, application, web, and file printing. Basically, this backup is application aware. For example, if you delete any object like any user, any computer account from your Active Directory, you can backup, you can restore from your backup. using Veeam backup and replication software. Same thing is true for your email server. If you delete any mailbox of any user, you can restore from your Veeam backup solutions. So Veeam recovery types and Veeam backup types. So entire Veeam recovery. Basically, there are so many types of recovery of the backups. So we will discuss one by one. Entire VM recovery. Full VM recovery, recover an entire VM on the original host or different host. Sometimes if our host got crashed, so we will recover it from our backup, or we can recover its original position or some alternative servers. Instant VM recovery, I like this feature very much because I'm use it quite frequently. Quickly restore service to user by starting a VM directly from a backup file on the regular backup storage. Basically, what it does, it runs your virtual machine from the tape backup. You don't need to restore in any physical server or any virtual server. And then when you once you start your machine, then you restore your backup to some other VM or other physical machine. The third type is VM file and virtual disk recovery. Recover individual VM files such as VMX. Basically, VMX is a configuration file, and disk file which is VHD and VHDX or VMDK. So we can recover only the virtual disk hard drives as well as its configuration file. Veeam restore from Microsoft Azure. You can directly restore or migrate on premises Windows-based or Linux-based VM's physical server into Microsoft Azure. With the help of Veeam backup and recovery, you can migrate between your on-premises server to the cloud servers like Microsoft Azure, or from cloud to your local data center. We also Veeam backup and recovery also offer a instance file level recovery. You can recover file from 19 common file system used by Windows, Linux, Mac OS, Novell, Solaris or Unix. Atom level recovery, Veeam Explorer for Microsoft Active Directory. Basically, when I will discuss in the next lecture about the advanced feature of the Veeam, so it will open an Explorer on which we can export, import or restore atoms like Veeam export the Microsoft Active Directory. You can search and restore all the Active Directory objects such as users, group, computer, contact, including user and computer password recovery. So in this way we can restore all the objects, individual objects from the Active Directory. Same wise we can also restore any mailbox from the backup, like in Microsoft in Exchange 2013-16. So we recover individual Exchange item like email, appointment, note, contact, online, archive, mailbox. Veeam Explorer for Microsoft SQL Server. Likewise, we can restore individual SQL databases and transition log. Veeam Explorer for Oracle. Restore individual Oracle database and transition log. Veeam Explorer for Microsoft SharePoint. You can get instance visibility into SharePoint backup with advanced search and browse feature for quickly recover individual SharePoint item and entire sites. Basically, in Veeam you can restore your individual items like your users, your mailbox, your database, your transition log files. So these all the features are offered by the Veeam. Veeam is a very good solution for backups. Also, file and recovery portal for help desk support. Restore gas file and VM with single click of web interface. We can easily restore. I will show you in my coming lecture how to restore with single click to entire VM restore process. Microsoft Exchange item recovery portal for help desk support. Restore missing mailbox to the original mailbox with a single click of mouse. Database recovery, same like database recovery, self-service portal for application owner recovery delegation. We also delegate the rights to some help desk staff to carry out this task on behalf of our system administrator. So in this video, I will tell you about something about what Veeam backup is and what are these features. So in the next lecture, I will show you how to download and install Veeam Veeam backup and recovery in a home environment or in a lab environment. So thank you very much for your time and consideration.